Hey there friends, I'm so glad you're here. Today we're checking out the Samsung 50-inch DU7200 Crystal UHD 4K Smart TV. If you're new to tech or just want a great TV without the confusion, you're in the right place. This TV promises beautiful picture quality, easy-to-use smart features, and that reliable Samsung name. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's find out together. The model we're looking at is the DU7200, and it usually sells for about $400. That's a pretty sweet spot for a big sharp 4K TV. But let's be real, there's more to a TV than just the price. We'll see how it looks, what it can do, and if it's really worth your money. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can decide if this TV is right for you. We'll talk about the picture, the smart features, and even how it handles games and streaming. I'll share the good stuff, the not so good stuff, and everything in between. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect from the Samsung DU7200. Ready? Let's jump in. Hey there! If you're just starting your search for a new TV and feeling a little overwhelmed by all the techie talk, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through what makes the Samsung 50-inch DU7200 such a great pick, even if you're not a tech expert. First up, this TV has a big, beautiful 50-inch screen with super sharp 4K resolution. That just means everything you watch, movies, sports, even YouTube, looks crisp and full of color. Samsung calls it Crystal UHD, which is their way of saying the colors and details really pop, making your shows and movies look extra lifelike. It's not their fanciest model, but it's a big step up from older TVs, and you'll definitely notice the difference. Inside, there's a smart processor that helps everything run smoothly, so your videos look clear, and fast-moving scenes don't get blurry. Whether you're watching a big game or just flipping through your favorite shows, it all feels quick and easy. And don't worry about plugging in your stuff. There are plenty of ports for your game console, streaming devices, or even a soundbar. You get 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB slots, and even a spot for a wired internet connection if you want things extra speedy. Plus, there's an easy way to hook up better speakers if you want bigger sound for movie nights. The TV runs on Samsung's Tizen system, which is just a fancy name for the menu and apps. It's super simple to use, and all the big streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube are ready to go right out of the box. You won't have to hunt around for your favorites, and everything loads up fast with no annoying delays. Design-wise, it's sleek and simple. The bezels, the frame around the screen, are nice and thin, so you get more picture and less distraction. It's not flashy, but it'll fit right in with just about any room, and it's light enough to set up without a struggle. So, if you want a TV that's easy to use, looks great, and has all the essentials, the Samsung DU7200 is a solid choice for anyone. No tech degree required. Ready to see how it actually performs? Let's dive in and check out what it's like to watch your favorite shows and movies on this TV. Hey there! If you're just starting your search for a new TV and feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's chat about what makes the Samsung 50 DU7200 4K Smart TV a fantastic pick, especially if you're new to all this tech stuff. First up, the picture quality is seriously impressive. The colors are bright, the details are sharp, and everything just looks super clear. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll notice the difference. Thanks to Samsung's Crystal UHD display and their special 4K processor, movies, shows, and even cartoons pop with color and depth. And don't worry about getting lost in menus. The Tizen operating system is super easy to use. You'll be streaming your favorite shows in no time, even if you've never used a smart TV before. Setting up the DU7200 is a breeze. Just plug it in, follow a few simple steps, and you're good to go. No tech wizardry required. Whether you're young or young at heart, you'll find this TV friendly and approachable. The sound quality is another pleasant surprise. The built-in speakers are clear and get plenty loud, so you won't miss a word of dialogue. For everyday watching, you probably won't even need extra speakers, but if you want to go all out, you can always add a soundbar later. All in all, the Samsung DU7200 makes it easy to enjoy your favorite entertainment, no matter your experience level. But of course, no TV is perfect. Stick around, because next, I'll walk you through a few things to keep in mind before you buy. Let's have an honest chat about the Samsung DU7200. Because every TV, even the good ones, has a few quirks you'll want to know about. First up, let's talk about viewing angles. If you're sitting right in front of the DU7200, the picture looks bright and sharp. No complaints there. But if your family or friends are spread out on the couch, Folks sitting off to the side might notice the colors aren't quite as vivid. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you have a wide seating area. Next, let's chat about sound. The DU7200's built-in speakers are totally fine for everyday shows and news, but if you love movie nights or want to feel like you're in the middle of the action, you might find the sound a little flat. If you want that extra oomph, consider adding a soundbar or some external speakers. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. For the gamers out there, the DU7200 does have a game mode to help reduce input lag, which is great for casual gaming. But if you're super serious about gaming and want the absolute fastest response, you might notice it's not quite as quick as some higher-end gaming TVs. For most people though, it's perfectly playable and fun. One tiny thing, let's talk about the remote. It works just fine, but it does feel a bit lightweight and plasticky compared to some fancier remotes out there. The button layout is simple and easy to use, so you won't have any trouble, but don't expect it to feel super premium. Honestly, these are all pretty minor things, especially when you remember that the DU7200 is a budget-friendly 4K smart TV. For the price, you're getting a lot of TV for your money, and for most people, that's what really matters. If you're new to smart TVs, don't worry. Let's explore the Samsung DU7200's Smart Tizen platform together. I promise, it's easier than you might think, and actually pretty fun to use. Samsung's Tizen system is designed to be super friendly, even if you're not a tech expert. The menus are big, bright, and easy to read, so you won't feel lost. Everything is laid out in a way that just makes sense. Want to find Netflix or YouTube? They're right there on the home screen. No digging required. The DU7200 comes loaded with all the big streaming apps you love. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more. Just pick what you want to watch and you're good to go. And here's the best part, the apps open quickly and run smoothly. No waiting around, no confusing error messages, just tap and enjoy. You can even make the TV your own. Move your favorite apps to the front or set up profiles for everyone in the house so everyone gets their own recommendations. The TV learns what you like and suggests shows and movies just for you. It's like having a personal assistant for your entertainment. And if you have smart home gadgets, you can control them right from your TV. Dim the lights, check your door camera, or adjust the temperature, all with a few clicks. It's all about making life easier and more comfortable, without any tech headaches. So if you're new to smart TVs, the Samsung DU7200's Tizen platform is a fantastic place to start. It's simple, fast, and packed with features that make watching TV a breeze. Give it a try. You might be surprised at just how easy and enjoyable your TV experience can be. Hey there! If you're just starting your search for a new TV and feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's talk about whether the Samsung 50-inch DU7200 4K Smart TV is a good fit for you. In simple terms, I think this TV is a great pick, especially if you want something easy to use and packed with features. For about $400 you're getting a lot for your money. Seriously, it's a solid deal. The picture is bright, colorful, and super sharp, so your movies and shows look fantastic, even if you're not a tech expert. And with 4K resolution, everything looks extra clear and detailed. Plus, the HDR feature means you'll see more lifelike colors and deeper contrast in your favorite scenes. The Smart Tizen system is super user-friendly. Just point, click, and you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or whatever you love. There are tons of apps to choose from, and everything runs smoothly, even if you're not a tech whiz. Honestly, it's one of the easiest smart TV systems I've tried, and it makes watching TV a breeze. It really adds to the fun of movie nights or just relaxing after a long day. Now, it's not perfect. The picture isn't quite as clear if you're sitting way off to the side, and the sound is good, but you might want a sound bar if you love big, booming audio. Gaming is fun on this TV, though if you're a super serious gamer, you might want something even faster. But for most people, the DU7200 nails what matters. Great picture, easy streaming, and a price that won't break the bank. So, who's this TV best for? I'd say it's perfect for families, casual gamers, or anyone who just wants a reliable, easy-to-use smart TV. If you want a quality 4K TV with smart features and don't want to spend a fortune, this is a fantastic choice. If you're on a budget but still want awesome picture and features, the Samsung DU7200 is definitely worth a look. Alright, let's wrap things up. If you're just starting your search for a new TV, the Samsung 50-inch DU7200 could be a great place to begin. It's super simple to set up, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get it going. The picture is bright and colorful, making everything from movies to cartoons look fantastic for the whole family. Plus, all your favorite streaming apps are right there, just a click away. If you want to see the latest deals or learn more, check out the link in the description. It'll take you straight to all the details. And if this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It helps more people find these reviews, and it means a lot to me. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Hope to see you again soon. Happy TV hunting.